Hey guys, so let's talk a little bit about the social studies test. You will have this on your Google Classroom. You'll have to make a copy to edit it because it'll be view only for you. But once you do, you'll make a copy with your name so I know it's yours and you'll be all good to edit. So I'm going to go through it with you so you know exactly what to do and what I'm going to expect for each question. So starting out here, what are 3 things stated in the Articles of Confederation? Now that'll be written in a complete sentence, but you can delete these lines, type it underneath, and then re-underline again. You know how we've done that in the past? Because if you try typing on these lines, it's not going to work and it'll have that weird spacing in there, right? So number 1, delete the lines, type your answer, re-underline. Okay? True or false? In this case, you can write T and F because I will be able to tell because it's typed. So you can delete the line, write T or F, then re-underline after. Same for that like you did for number 1. 3, who was Daniel Shays and what did he do? So this is going to be a complete sentence. Daniel Shays was blank, he did blank. Okay? So far 1 and 3 are complete sentences. 2 is T or F. 4, you can highlight your answer with the highlighting tool. So that'll kind of be nice. You can pick the color you want. 5, list the qualities of each. You can just list, because you can use your book on the test. Remember that. So we didn't take notes on every chapter, so you could use the book. You need to list, we'll say, at least 2 for each. Okay, you can put more if you wanted, but at least 2 things for the House, 2 things for the Senate. 6 is a fill in the blank. Blank enslaved people counted as blank free people in the blank compromise. Okay. I will say something about the numbering on this test. It's off. I think so far we're good. 1 through 11. But some of the numbers jump around because I deleted questions that I didn't think were important. So if it jumped, say it jumped from like 6 to 8, don't let that bother you. Some of the numbering, I just deleted questions. List the branches of government's powers. You don't have to do complete sentences. Just delete the lines, write, re-underline. What are checks and balances and why are they important in the government? That is a complete sentence. 9, 10, those are just fill in the blank. You don't have to be a complete sentence. 11, Lewis and Clark were who? Here, you know what? There. Highlight the answer here. What was important about the journey of Lewis and Clark? That is a complete sentence. Here we have a word bank. These words will get used here. All the words will be used 1 time. Who wrote the Star Spangled Banner? You can highlight. List 3 facts. 1, 2, 3. You don't have to do complete sentences there. So here are some boxes. And this is where you fill in the blank. Okay? There are 5, and there are 5 answers here. So you'll fill in everything once. True or false, you can do T and F there. That's fine. Manifest destiny is a complete sentence. This is a highlighting question. 2 reasons why, you can just list that for 22. T or F here. And your last question, why were people in California called 49ers? That is going to be a complete sentence. If you have social studies test questions, do not worry. I will be on a Google Meet starting at noon, and we can go through whatever you need help with, okay? Even if you just have 1 question, I encourage you to join the meet because it will help you, and we can go through it together just like we're taking a regular test, okay? Again, 12 o'clock is the meet time for the test. You can use your book. You could use your notes. You could use those quizzes we took. I'm fine with all of that. Okay? So just so you know, that's the test. Good luck if you want to get started or if you just want to wait until the meet, that's fine too. Either one is up to you.